What's up? This is Davinci Neptune speaking. In this video, we're going to talk about why you should not worship women. Women do not want to be the leader. They don't want to be your mommy. They don't want to be the main thing going on in your life. They want you to lead your life, and women just want to be simply an addition to your life. They don't want to be the universe of your reality of your life. Now, this is in contrast to what they might say. So when I say this, on a surface level, logically speaking, they might disagree with it. But you don't always listen to what women say. You listen to what they respond to. You listen to or you watch what they respond to. You watch their behaviors. You see what it is that they are responding the most to, not what they say or what they think or what they do. A lot of women are really uneducated about how attraction works. They don't even understand what it means to be a woman and what it means to be a man and what it means to be a man in pursuit of a woman. This is why you have to take what women say at face value at best. Sometimes what they say is a good indicator of what they mean, and sometimes it's not. But when it comes down to it, it's best to play it safe and watch her behaviors, watch what she's attracted to. And that's the best thing that you can do instead of listening to what she's saying, what her words, the words that come out of her mouth, because that doesn't always correlate to what she finds attractive. Anyways, you want to make yourself the universe. You want to focus on yourself. You want to create the kind of lifestyle that a woman wants to be a part of. That when she's with you, she is like, wow, this is my man. This is my guy. And that she wants to show you off to her friends and family and whatever, that she's not embarrassed. The one thing that a woman does not want is to be embarrassed to call you her boyfriend, her man, or her husband, or whatever. That's like one of the least. That's like women cannot stand that. They don't want to feel embarrassed that they're with a certain guy. It has to do with the way they look, and they make it mean something. It's like they make it mean that they're a failure of a woman or whatever, which doesn't necessarily need to be true or false, but if her social circle perceives you in a certain way and you don't play that out correctly, her value of you will also diminish because her value of you is proportional to what you add into her life, but also how her friends and family perceive you as. So this is why you guys got to be very careful with how you conduct yourself in the social circle and the social game because people are always watching and people are always talking. Women don't want to be the leader of your life. Women want to be the helpers. They want to aid you in whatever goal or mission that you have in mind. Now, in contrary, in modern society, women have been on the uprise and they have more power in today. But we're talking about evolution, how attraction works, also how the brain works. Women's brain is not suited for the leadership position. There is a quote that says, men create value, women preserve value. They maintain the value, which is pretty accurate to say, which is to say that they don't actually want to be really thinking and leading, but they want to organize and control and manage. That's more what their brain is suited for. Now, I'm not saying that women cannot lead. I'm not saying women can't do certain things that men can do. But I'm saying that men is designed in a certain way, women is designed for a certain way, and the sexes and the gender are more suited for different things in life and different roles in reality. So that's what a woman wants you to do. She wants you to be the man in your life, and she wants to be the woman in your life. Bad things happen when the gender role and the gender energy is very unpolarized, where it's very imbalanced, where the man is not being the man, the woman won't be attracted. But at the same time, if the woman is not being a woman, the man won't be attracted. So there's that kind of yin yang, that flow. If the cup is not going back and forth, then there's going to be a problem and the relationship is going to end and one party is not going to be attracted to the other one. That's all I got for you on this one. Lead your life. Let the woman fulfill whatever role she feels in your life, whether that be as a helper or support or nurturer or whatever it is. Now, again, these are all just terms, but she doesn't want to be the leader of your life. She wants you to lead your life, and then she wants to be an addition to your lifestyle or to your life. That's all I got for you on this one. This has been Davinci Neptune. For the Secrets of Life and more alpha male tips and strategies, you may check me out on prosperityLifeAds.com. Thank you for listening.